Welcome to Eugene TV. Please, I want to beg that if you are coming across video for the very first time, I want you to just go straight to Eugene TV on YouTube and subscribe to Eugene TV so that as many videos that will drop there, you can be notified at any point in time. Alright, so let's all take a look at this question. And of course, this question is simply based on fuel gases. Many of us have this delusion that whenever we hear the word or the term fuel, our mind will just simply go straight to petrol. Alright, we are only conversant with the fact that it is only petrol that we know as fuel. But petrol is just one example of a fuel. Alright, what do we mean by fuel? Fuel simply means that any chemical substance or any substance that can burn to produce energy in form of heat. So by this definition, even firewood you have in your kitchen is a fuel. Alright, so carbon can be converted into a gaseous form which can be used as a fuel. And it is those gaseous form of carbon which can be used as fuel that we refer to as fuel gases. Fuel gases. And there are several types of fuel gases. Okay, let us take a look at the question here. The question says, water gas is a mixture of dash and dash. Water gas is a mixture of dash and dash. So in this case, we are meant to find the component of water gas. Fuel, or first, let us look at what water gas is. What do you mean by water gas? Water gas simply means that a fuel or a gas mixture form when steam is passed over heated coke at a very high temperature. Water gas is formed when steam is passed over heated coke. In the industry, there is a cell referred to as producer. This cell is in this form. It has an opening here. It has an opening here, a kind of tap. Okay, let's say it closes here. Here, there is an opening here, and there is also an opening here. Also an opening here. So this is the base of the cell of the container. Now, this cell is called producer. It is called producer. It is in this cell where fuel gases are produced. Fuel gases such as water gas and producer gas. Now, in this cell, coke is a form of carbon, just like we have charcoal. Alright, coke is packed here inside this cell. A lot of coke packed here, very well loaded here, and then the cell is heated to a very high temperature, usually about more than 1000 degrees Celsius. Okay, now in this cell here where we have coke packed here, enough coke packed here and it is heated. Remember, coke is just simply carbon. If steam is simply water in vapor phase, or let me just say, if steam, which is water in gaseous state, is passed into this coke that is inside this container and it is heated, it is going to produce water gas. Whereas if it is air that is passed into this container that contains coke, remember, if it is steam, it will produce water gas. Whereas if it is air, it is going to produce producer gas. Now let us see how water gas is being produced. I have said earlier that water gas is formed when steam, and of course steam simply means water in the vapor phase, is passed over heated coke at about 1000 degrees Celsius. Alright, so let us see what the component of water gas will look like. Remember, we have established that water gas is formed when we have water or steam that is reacted with coke. Coke is just simply carbon, and of course it is solid. So whenever this reaction occurs, the carbon here from coke will just simply come and remove the whole of the oxygen from water or from steam to form CO. And of course, hydrogen will now just stand on its own. Hydrogen will just stand on. Now it is this mixture here, mixture of this CO and H2 that we refer to as water gas. So you can see from our explanation, the correct option there is option letter D. Option letter D. Meaning that water gas is a mixture of CO and H2. Water gas is a mixture of carbon 2 oxide and hydrogen gas. Let me repeat that again. That water gas is formed whenever steam is passed over heated coke at a very high temperature, and of course the cell in which this takes place is usually called producer. This cell is designed in such a way that once these gases are produced, a tap can be opened up here, and then each of the gases can be collected at each of the end of this tab here. Please, if you find this video very interesting and if you have learned something from this video, please just help me share this video. Share this video so that we get to a wider audience. Thank you and bye for now.